Oh yes, I am definitely getting compliments tonight. Time to put it on. Hell yeah. Oh, what's happening, bruh? Why are you looking at me like that? Bruh, you reek. You put on way too much. Why? This is just the right amount, Playboy. I spray heavy so I stay ready. What does that even mean? What it means is that you are bearing witness to a surefire way to have the ladies drooling at your boy's ankles all night long. You gotta be smelt in order to be felt. What a clown. Oh, they're gonna smell your scent. They'll definitely feel it too. In fact, I think it's safe to assume that they will taste it, possibly even see it, and maybe even hear it. Bro, what did I tell you about too much fragrance being a repellent? You're gonna scare them off. You are the kind of people that DJ Khaled warns us about.
They don't want you to wear fur and mink in the summer. But guess what? I'm wearing fur and mink in the summer.
You don't want me to stun on them with the top button and the beast mode fragrance.
So I'm stunting on them with the top button and the beast mode fragrance.
Everybody knows that if you want to get compliments, you gotta overspray. And if that doesn't work, fragrance is garbage. Throw it in the trash. We've talked about this already. It's not just your fragrance that gets you compliments. But I'm not even in the mood to argue with you, so good luck. Luck? I don't need your luck, Playboy. I smell like money, so I catch the fly honey. All right, Dr. Seuss, I hope you're not trying to catch the fly honeys with these corn on the cob one-liners. Are you kidding me? I'm not worried, bro. My corn's got that butter to make their hearts flutter. I'll see you there.
Yeah, just hanging out a little bit. Yeah. Excuse me. What are you doing?
Oh, what's up, shawty? Oh, did you just smell my fragrance? What do you think?
Yep. Everybody smells you. Leave my sister alone, bro. Her husband come back.
Oh, don't fight it. My fragrance is irresistible. You want to know what it is? This is called Eau Galore, and I spent almost $300 on this.
This guy's been acting weird. I think he's hitting on your wife.
What? Hell no.
So you want a compliment or something?
Yes, here it comes.
Ew.
This is weird.
Hey, bro, you good? Yeah, bro, I'm Gucci. Your girl was about to give me a compliment on my fragrance before you butted in. Bro, are you serious? Couldn't be more serious, bro. I'm testing this expensive fragrance. All the reviewers said that it would give me compliments from the fly honeys. So I'm trying to make sure that they're telling the truth. Do you know how ridiculous that sounds? Doesn't mean you can just hit on somebody's wife. Bro, why are you tripping? Don't you understand? This is serious business. If Oud Galore doesn't get me a compliment, that means I have to throw it away because it's trash.
Oud Galore? Listen, bro, you're crazy. This is not how you get compliments. Your fly honeys are gonna fly away from you.
It's not just your fragrance that gets you compliments.
This is not how you get compliments.
You reek.
$300, huh?